Iqaluit Nunavut, Canada, October 28, 2022. The city of Iqaluit was largely shut down on Friday as it battled with the first severe blizzard of the year. According to Environment Canada, the capital of Nunavut was under a severe weather warning for the majority of the day with visibility periodically near zero due to blowing snow.
Oh my god, my morning. Oh, I guess there's no work today.
Iqaluit is the capital of the Canadian territory of Nunavut, its largest community, and its only city.
Oh my goodness, that's so tough.
The region is enduring its first blizzard of the year, which is being felt on the Ungava coast of Nunavik and across Baffin Island.
Oh my goodness. That's insane.
All city services, including water distribution, waste disposal, and snow removal, have been discontinued until further notice, the city of Iqaluit said early on Friday morning. Additionally, the city issued a warning to keep off the roadways. The storm's impacts are being felt in other Baffin settlements. A winter storm warning is in effect for Kimmerit, a wind advisory is in effect for Pengnirtung, and a snowfall advisory is in effect for Qikiqtarjuaq. The Ungava coast in Nunavik was also under a blizzard warning from the federal government's weather agency. Wind gusts of up to 90 kilometers per hour, 55 miles per hour, are possible in Iqaluit, and the storm is expected to produce total snowfall of about 15 to 25 centimeters, up to 10 inches. As of Friday morning, all government offices and grocery stores are closed. Iqaluit-bound and originating flights have also been cancelled. In Iqaluit, the snowy period of the year lasts for 9 months, from September 16th to June 16th, with a sliding 31-day snowfall of at least 1 inches. The month with the most snow in Iqaluit is April, with an average snowfall of 6.4 inches.